Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel dedicated to finding the most innovative, stylish, and better ways to build your dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe. To this channel, leave comment. Hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into one of the most popular trends in the housing market, the Barndominium, often referred to simply as a Barndo. A barndominium is a versatile building that combines a workshop or barn-like structure with a high-end living space. Originally, these were literal conversions of existing barns into homes, but today, most are custom-built from the ground up using steel or timber frames. The hallmark of a barndominium is its rectangular footprint, high ceilings, and an open-concept interior that offers a level of spaciousness you simply can't find in traditional suburban homes. It represents a perfect marriage between industrial, durability, and domestic comfort. The benefits of opting for a barndominium style home extend far beyond just the aesthetic appeal. One of the primary advantages is the remarkable cost-effectiveness and speed of construction. Because the shell is often made of pre-engineered metal, the exterior can be erected much faster than a standard stick-built house. These structures are also incredibly durable, offering superior resistance to harsh weather, pests, and fire compared to traditional wood frame houses. Furthermore, the absence of interior load-bearing walls allows for total creative freedom in your floor plan, meaning you can have massive vaulted ceilings and a great room that serves as the heart of the home. Low maintenance is another huge plus, as metal siding requires very little upkeep over the decades, saving you both time and money to make your barndominium exterior truly shine. You need to balance its industrial roots with inviting residential touches. Start by choosing a sophisticated color palette. While classic white or charcoal gray are popular, adding natural wood accents like cedar porch posts or wooden X details on the garage doors softens the look and adds warmth. High-quality lighting is also crucial. Oversized barn lights or sleek black sconces can frame your entryways and create a welcoming glow at night. Landscaping plays a massive role as well. Since barndominiums can sometimes look a bit boxy, adding curved flower beds, stone pathways, and a variety of textures through shrubs and ornamental grasses helps ground the building into its natural surroundings. Don't forget a spacious wraparound porch, which not only provides a transition between the indoors and outdoors, but also adds that iconic farmhouse charm. When it comes to the best styles for barndominiums, the modern farmhouse remains the undisputed king, characterized by crisp white siding, black window frames, and minimalist lines. However, the industrial rustic style is also gaining ground. Utilizing raw materials like corrugated metal, reclaimed wood, and exposed steel beams to lean into the building's functional history. For those who want something more unique, the Scandinavian Barndo offers a sleek, monochromatic look with large glass walls and a focus on high or cozy simplicity. If you prefer a more traditional feel, the country estate style incorporates stone wainscoting and multiple gables to give the metal structure a more substantial, permanent appearance. No matter which style you choose, the key is to ensure the interior finishes like polished concrete floors or shiplap walls complement the exterior vibe. Now, let's look at the top 10 best barndominium style home ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. 1. The modern Crimson Cathedral. This stunning design features a bold red exterior that pays homage to traditional barns while incorporating massive glass facades. The towering gabled roof creates a dramatic silhouette, and the integrated stone fireplace on the outdoor patio ensures this home is the ultimate spot for evening relaxation and entertaining. 2. The Grand Charcoal Manor, a masterclass in scale. This barndominium utilizes dark gray vertical siding and a massive wraparound porch to create a sense of timeless elegance. The symmetry of the windows and the dual cupolas on the roof add a sophisticated architectural touch that elevates the entire property. 3. The crisp white farmhouse estate. This design showcases the quintessential modern farmhouse look with bright white siding and warm wooden porch accents. The detached multi-car garage is connected by a breezeway, creating a sprawling estate feel that provides plenty of room for both work and play. 4. The Midnight Forest Retreat. Perfect for wooded lots. This barndominium uses deep black siding to blend seamlessly into the shadows of the trees. The natural wood barn-style sliding shutters and the stone chimney provide a rugged, organic contrast that makes the home feel like a high-end mountain lodge. 5. The Industrial Gallery House, featuring a long, sleek profile. This design is all about clean lines and functional beauty. The extended covered walkway provides a massive amount of shaded outdoor space, while the dark monochromatic palette gives it a contemporary art gallery-like presence in the landscape. 6. The Rustic Gable Sanctuary. This home perfectly balances metal and wood, featuring a prominent central gable with timber framing. The stone-clad pillars supporting the porch add a sense of weight and permanence, making it feel like a cozy, established homestead that will last for generations. 7. The Minimalist Obsidian Pavilion. For those who love modern architecture, this single-story barndominium offers a flat, roof-inspired look with vertical metal panels. The large sliding glass doors dissolve the boundary between the interior and the lush green lawn, emphasizing a minimalist indoor-outdoor lifestyle. 8. The Equestrian-Style Dream Home. This expansive design features a wide-span roof and a large central porch that mimics the look of a high-end horse stable. The manicured flower beds and winding white concrete pathways add a touch of luxury, making it a perfect fit for wide-upon rural acreags. 9. The two-story transitional Barndo. Mixing traditional residential elements with barndominium scale. This home features wooden shutters and a classic porch. The height of the second story allows for incredible views and high-volume ceilings inside, while the navy blue finish keeps it looking trendy and fresh. 10. The Stone Accent Modern Shop House. This design focuses on texture, using white stone pillars to contrast against dark metal siding. The massive integrated garage doors make it perfect for hobbyists or car collectors, proving that you don't have to sacrifice style to have a highly functional shophouse space. As we have seen, barndominiums are much more than just metal sheds. They are a testament to how creative architecture can turn durable industrial materials into warm, inviting, and incredibly stylish homes. Whether you are looking for a cost-effective way to build your dream home, or you simply fall in love with the wide-open spaces and high ceilings, the barndominium style offers a level of versatility that is hard to beat. From the bold red cathedral styles to the sleek, minimalist black pavilions, there truly is a Barndo design for every taste and every landscape. If you enjoyed this tour of the best barndominium designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more home inspiration every week. Which of the top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear if you're planning your own Barndo build. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video.